I went to hell and I came back on fucking fire. No inhibition. No inhibition.
Hi, hello, greetings, welcome back. So this channel is not quite dead. He's really trying to be, but not just yet. In today's video, we're gonna do Hades from, Hercules, Greek mythology, god of the underworld. Any of that ringing a bell? Because that's who this makeup is based on. But we're doing it with a twist because I want to do a bunch of Disney characters with like modern style / my style. So they don't look exactly the same, but it's got like a similar color palette, similar vibe. Hopefully it's cool. Let's do it. So let's prime my eyeballs because I don't need them creasing. And like whatever else it's supposed to do, make them more pigmented. I don't know, man. I just do what the beauty industry tells me. So for the eyes, I want to do like a super cool blue, smoked out, weird thing, very Hades-esque. So for that, we're gonna start off with the Kat Von D Divine palette with just the white shade in the crease as our transition color. So we'll do that. It also has a little bit of blue mixed in because this brush already has blue on it and I'm too fucking lazy to find another one. So there's some blue happening, but it's fine. There's gonna be blue there anyways, so why not? I'm gonna bring that all the way up to the brow. Because I want this to be big. Alright, now we're gonna go in with Waters, which is like a nice light blue. Use that also in the crease, but not to get up to the eyebrows. I'm just gonna build this up because it takes a little bit, but it's a really pretty shade once it's built up. Alright. That's pretty blue. So now I'm gonna switch to the Subculture palette and use Axis. It's nice dark blue. And I'm gonna use that on this little tacky brush thing. Just gonna like put that into the crease a bit. Kind of like half moon it around the outer corner. Do I have like a pencil brush that I haven't used? I need to wash my brushes badly. Okay, and it was about this point that my brain short-circuited and forgot I was supposed to be explaining things half the time, so half of this video will be voiceover. Have fun with that. So what I'm doing is just taking a pencil brush / really dense brush and blending out that color into the rest of it. I'm trying to keep the shape that I mapped out earlier, but still like blending it out into the rest of the colors because obviously no one wants just like a random line of dark blue. Unless you do, in which case just go for it. And then I'm also gonna pack that color into like the outer half corner of the eyelid and then blend it in towards the center of the eye. Obviously not like cover the entire eyelid because this is gonna be a gradient cut crease. Let's go in with some black. It's a great idea when you're already sucking at blending. Why do I have no brushes that are clean? I mean, does it really matter if I'm going in with black? I don't think so. So I'm just taking that black into the outer V corner area place and, blending it out with an even tinier pencil-like brush. Because for this look, I want it to be like nice and smoky, very underworldy. When in doubt, just blend everything out with a giant brush. It'll give you a result. And I think that's what we're all looking for here. We're just looking for a result. I never said it had to be a good result, just that it was one. Okay, we're gonna take that fun shiny color right there, that's metallic dark blue, on my finger because I'm too lazy to walk across my room, which is like 2 steps really, and grab my setting spray to like make it all metallic-y. So we're gonna do it this way. Yeah, so I'm just taking that metallic blue and putting it just on the center of the eye, and only on the center of the eye because I want to put like lighter colors on the inner corner. Alright, so now we can go in with more black on the corner and like blend it into that or something. I mean, it looks like something. I'll get my setting spray now. Okay, that was actually like 3 steps, not 2. Do I have a small brush? Then I have it completely ruined. Here's a small brush that I haven't totally ruined. You are the one who's going to receive the treatment. Alright, I'm gonna go in with hairspray, which is like a really shimmery, silvery gold metallic thing. Put that in the inner corner. Do I have a shimmery blue? Light blue, correction. Haha! We're gonna use Aries from the Zodiac palette. Nope, I just sprayed myself in the eye. Don't do that. Poor choices. Poor choices were made. So I am taking this blue and putting it right in between that inner corner highlight and the metallic blue that we put on the center of the eye earlier. That's somehow darker than Baltimore, which I don't really understand, but it's too late, so we're just gonna do it. Consequences be damned. I don't know. Okay, now let's go in with the baby brush. Baby brush. Hey, baby brush. Aha, baby brush is hiding. So I'm gonna go in with the light blue waters on my lower lash line. We're just gonna smoke this bitch out. And then we'll go in with Axis from Subculture. And with this color, I'm just keeping it tighter and closer to the eye than I did with Waters because it's a darker color, so like it blends. And then on a tiny little brush, we'll add a little bit of black just along next to the lash line. Waterline, whatever the hell you want to call it. Then let's try a little bit of Babs. Oh yeah, Babs is a good choice. We're throwing Babs in. Eyeliner. That's the thing we have to do. Then after the eyeliner, I moved on and did some quick mascara, which I also curled my lashes before that, but that footage disappeared. Oh, that's drying. Let's fill in my waterline. Alright, so we're gonna use 113s and lash glue, obviously, and stick these to our eyeballs. Alright, let's use some concealer. Honestly, should I have done the lower lash line after concealer? Yes. Do I really care? At this point, no, not really. Let's do it here too so we can get some highlight. And after blending the concealer with a damp beauty sponge, I'm quickly just packing on some powder over the top of that because it will crease real quick if I don't do that immediately. 2, 3, oh, that almost got my jeans looking bad. And then right after that, I am just quickly going over all of my face with a damp beauty sponge and some foundation. And then throw more powder on top of that. And then we move on to the eyebrows. So for these, I just made sure to make them a little bit darker than my normal brows because let's be real, the roots on this wig are pretty intense. And I also just made sure to make them kind of a stronger arch than I might usually do, because even though Hades doesn't really have like any strong eyebrows in the movie, I feel like he should. He's got a strong enough personality for him. I need highlight. Let's use like a mix of Electra and Strobe. Perfect. Do a little bit of Strobe on the Cupid though. I don't really want to contour because I like just the glowy glow. So we're not going to contour, but we are going to get some lips, and I think we know what lip color we have to do. Black. Anytime I can, I will. You know this. And before everyone comes at me for filming, you know, vertically and like weirdly duplicating the video, I've never had to film a full body thing in my little makeshift studio, okay? My backdrop is not wide enough for this, and I was trying something. I thought I could edit it right, and I couldn't, so deal with it. Okay, moving on to the very last thing, the clothes. So, for the clothes, I wanted, since we're doing a gender bend, I wanted to keep his badass traits, but also, you know, spice it up a bit, make it a little bit more edgy and kind of sexy. So we are doing a gray lace bralette, just something cute. Then over the top of that is a mesh cardigan, which I am so in love with, but tears really easily, as I have found out while shooting this. Moving on to the bottoms, you can spice it up a bit. I wanted to do leather originally, like black leather pants or dark red leather pants, but I didn't own any, and all the ones I found were very, very expensive. So that's an idea, because it would look so damn hot with some leather pants. But I'm just sticking with some black jeans. And then over the top of them are these bad boys, which I'm now in love with. They are over the knee combat boots. And then for jewelry, we have this smoke quartz on a gold band. And then over here is like a claw ring with a little skull on it, because, you know, Hades, god of the dead, kind of his thing. Okay, so that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I have a few more characters planned, so let me know if you like it, because, I mean, it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna do them anyways, but that will let me know if I should get more characters added to this lineup. I think I have like 4 others, question mark? Might be more, don't know. So I will see you guys next time, and until then, later.